Hey, Chris Spiker for AV Nice. We're with Brad Hayes at Greenbee Landscape, your design center.
This is it. Thanks for stopping by.
This is brand new.
It's brand new. We've been here since January of this year, and we're loving it. Our customers really love coming in here too.
So what's the idea, Brad?
Well, the idea is that people can stop by here and we can, in a very controlled atmosphere, go over their needs and concerns and plans and all their wants and desires for either a backyard or a front yard landscape, and just really focus on them and their needs, you know, without a lot of distraction.
And you've got all the samples right here.
We do. We have a showroom. We're not completely done with everything yet, but I think we've got a good start. We have many samples of rock materials and synthetic turf and other materials that people can come in here rather than, you know how it is when you want to go see materials, you have to go to a material yard, and
It's windy, it's dirty, it's noisy, etc.
sometimes
Yeah.
it's not desirable, and then
Right.
some of our customers have really nice shoes or nice clothes and nice clean cars, and so I think, you know, they really appreciate that we care enough about them to create something like this where we can.
Now, you've been in landscaping for Greenbee's been around for how long?
Greenbee Landscape has been around since 1991.
Wow. So now you have the design center, and it is by appointment, so you can give people time.
Right.
So they come out. So what happens first, samples, or do we kind of sketch out the project?
Well, it depends on what the needs are, but initially we're gonna meet on site at the homeowner's, you know, in their yard.
And it's usually a house.
It's usually a residential. We do a lot of residential design and build. Anything from just a small, simple, maybe a cash for grass front yard, or just a, you know, a makeover. Sometimes we do a one-day makeover, or we can do a complete backyard resort.
And you navigate the folks through that.
We have a very streamlined process that makes it really comfortable and easy for people to get through this, because it's very confusing. There's a lot of questions out there. We turn around designs pretty efficiently these days.
We have great experience, and you've done this a bunch of times, but still a lot of patience too.
Yeah, I mean, we care about our customers. Many of them we become friends with. We do more than one property, and you know, we treat it as though it were our own property, and we get compliments all the time. Our guys, we clean up at the end of every day, and we try to, you know, just respect the family and the neighbors, and you know, there's so many things that could go wrong when you're doing construction, and we talk about that all the time, and you know, it's very important to us that the whole experience from the beginning when we first meet to the finished project and even ongoing maintenance is what they're looking for, and hopefully beyond.
Because this is a project for these folks that you're gonna be bragging about, so there's a little bit of you put into it.
Sure, yeah, we take pride in every single job, no matter what size. And most of our work comes from referral, so that's very important to us.
How do people get in touch with Greenbee Landscape?
Well, we have a website, and you can fill out the quote sheet there, or you can just call our main number. It's 661-274-2331. That's 274-B1.